Hello everyone, how are you? This is a Al Amin. Today I would like to talk about my daily tasks. So let's start. First of all, thank you for give me your valuable time. Actually, I want to make video for myself as well as I can see in the field. This field looks green. This surroundings weather is pretty good as well as today it's such a sunny day. I'm looking forward. In my village most of the peoples are honest, kind and hospitalities. They are helping each other. And I'm really proud of my living village because when I was young I like playing football, cricket and ludo. This village, my younger and elder brother, I think if you are a good person, this world is very hard for you. But if you should be a little bit bad person because when you was a little bit bad, then you will be good for your life. In my opinion, you should be believe me yourself, as well as you try to make a lots of money as soon as possible, but you don't have a lots of money. Don't worry, because do you know a lots of persons are have no lots of money, but we are be happy in the life. That's why you try your best in the earning money, then you will be happy for your life. When I was reaches this place, I feel really comfortable, because this place wind are feel more better, as much as specifically this surrounding side, and in the sky is really good. And you don't worry about your future, because if you worry too much, you are deeply bad for your life. That's why you must be don't worry about your future. Additionally, a few months, sorry, a few years ago, I was terrified for my future. It's a Its time was very bad for me, as well as when I realized in the world, then I don't worry about my future. I try to looking for any kind of job as soon as possible. If I have a any kind of job, then I must be working, and I feeling more comfortable when I was working any kind of work. That's all pity about me. Thank you everyone for your fashion Harry. Catch you later.